This is problem number 56 from Chapter 13's homework. The prompt is that there is a mass of 500 grams sliding down a frictionless slope and it doesn't slip, and it goes into a spring with spring constant K of 20 newtons per meter. The overall displacement as vertically is 2 meters and there is no friction. And how far into the spring will it bounce? So here are all our givens. M is 500 grams, which I made into 0.5 kilograms. H is 2 meters, K is 20 newtons per meter, and there's no friction, so mu is 0. So first we have to establish that at the start of all the energy is potential gravitational energy, and potential gravitational energy is Ug is equal to mgh, and we have all of those, so we can find Ug is equal to 9.8 joules. And so that means that at the start, the initial energy is 9.8 joules. And since there's no friction, we know that the initial and final energies are the same. So that means that the final energy is also 9.8 joules. And at the end, the final energy, all of the energy will be in spring potential, U of S. And so that means that at the end, the spring potential energy is 9.8 joules. So now we know that spring potential energy is equal to 1/2 times the spring constant times the displacement squared. So now we know that since the spring potential energy is 9.8 joules, it's equal to 1/2 times 20 newtons per meter, which is the spring constant, times the displacement squared, which is what we're trying to find. So then you plug it in, and you'll find x to be 0.9899 meters. So that's the displacement of how far it went onto the spring.